I'm talking about my brand and you talking about your brands. The difference is a lot of M's to your couple $100,000. Young Money. Shout out to Lil Wayne.
Wow.
Hey everyone, so it is Monday. What's today? August 20th. I leave for college in 2 days. And oh my gosh, I almost fell. And you know, we're just packing up all my stuff. You know, trying to get ready. And I just wanted to vlog because I haven't done a vlog ever on my channel. And I think this one might be interesting, you know, and it might get a lot of views. I keep going in places where there's no light. But yeah, I look gross right now. Wow. But yeah, guys, that's really what's happening right now. I would show you guys the stuff, but it's like messy. So when everything is together and everything is, you know, packed up together, I'll show you guys. But as of right now, I'm still trying to get stuff done. So this is gonna be the start of the vlog. And hopefully I can keep doing it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so today is the 23rd, I believe. I hope I'm right. But it's Wednesday and I'm moving tomorrow. And me and my family are driving up to Buffalo today. And then I'm moving tomorrow. So I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys all my stuff because I'm downstairs in the basement right now. But yeah, that's what the whole situation is right now. I'll try to vlog some on the road. That'll probably be boring. If anything interesting happens, I'll record it. But yeah, that's basically it right now. So I'm gonna go show you guys the stuff, and that's gonna be the next clip. Hey everyone, so we're here. Whoa, this lighting is actually gross and I look red and my forehead looks disgusting. But hey everybody, we're here in Buffalo and we moving tomorrow. Well, I'm moving tomorrow. You don't want to get in there, Mom? Really? No, my forehead looks rocky road. Naomi, what are you? Well, my hair looks really purple in this light. But yeah, guys, we moving tomorrow. We're here in a hotel. It's very nice. You guys want a tour? Okay, I'll give you that. This is the pull-out couch. I pulled it out because this is where I'm going to be sleeping. This is the little desk area. And this is another little thing. I have the cushions for the pull-out bed right there. These are my shoes. This is everybody else's shoes. A little garbage can. A TV, which I can't even see from my bed.
And Naomi.
This is their bed. This is Naomi.
Hi.
The bathroom is over there, but it's closed. The door is closed right now. And this is just, you know, somebody's not. Hey guys, so we're here in Buffalo. I put my stuff in my room earlier. I couldn't really vlog much because it was like a quick process. But I'm about to go back to the room. We got some more stuff because I ordered a set for my room, but like my sheets and all, with all my sheets and all that, my towels and all that, and it didn't come yet. So I had to get all that stuff in a mini fridge and like regular school supplies and stuff. So that's what's back there. So when I get back to the room, I'll record because my family's gonna leave and stuff. So yeah. So this is the walk-in and this is the bathroom. We have our own bathroom. It's not a suite thing. And then here's a lamp. Here's the closet. There's no light. Oh yeah, there is, but I don't know what the switch is. And these are our beds. And yeah, that's the entire room.
hop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop.